AI is changing the YouTube monetization game. What if AI could build your YouTube channel for you, suggesting viral video topics, designing thumbnails, and even automating your affiliate income streams? Sounds futuristic, right? Well, the future is already here, and it's changing how creators grow, monetize, and scale faster than ever before. Welcome to the future of YouTube monetization, where artificial intelligence is doing more than just editing videos. It's transforming how we attract views, engage audiences, and make money online, even while we sleep. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 powerful AI-driven strategies that you can start using right now to grow your YouTube channel faster and smarter. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, this is for you. AI is changing the creator game. Let's be real. Growing a YouTube channel in 2025 isn't about luck or guessing. It's about systems. And artificial intelligence is becoming the ultimate system builder. From content ideation to publishing automation, AI is now capable of doing tasks that used to take hours, even days. Tools like ChatGPT, Pictory.ai, and TubeBuddies.ai are revolutionizing how creators operate. And here's the kicker. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. AI helps you analyze what your audience wants, understand watch time drop-offs, and predict which videos will perform best before you even hit publish. YouTube is no longer just a platform, it's a data engine. And AI, it's the turbocharger. Here are 5 AI-powered strategies for monetizing YouTube. Number 1. AI for video idea generation. Writer's block is over. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and vidIQ's Keyword AI can analyze your niche, trending topics, and search volume to give you data-backed video ideas that people are actively searching for. Let's say you're in the affiliate marketing niche. Just ask ChatGPT. Give me 10 YouTube video ideas to help beginners make their first $100 online. Within seconds, you'll have a list of ideas backed by audience intent. No more guessing, just strategic creation. Number 2, AI for thumbnails and titles. YouTube is a click game. If no one clicks, no one watches. Tools like Canva's Magic Design and Thumbnail AI tools from TubeBuddy now let you A/B test thumbnails, auto-generate attention-grabbing titles, and even analyze emotion in imagery. A great title and thumbnail can double your CTR, and that directly affects your reach, watch time, and revenue. Make AI your creative assistant, not your crutch. Number 3. AI for editing and repurposing content. Pictory.ai is a game changer here. You can take your script, upload it, and boom, it turns your text into a fully edited video with voiceovers and captions in minutes. And it doesn't stop there. AI can repurpose your YouTube content into short-form TikToks and Reels, Instagram carousels, blog posts with SEO-ready summaries. You just multiplied your content output without increasing your time. 4. AI for audience analytics and retention. Imagine knowing why people stop watching your video and then fixing it before you post the next one. AI-powered analytics tools like TubeBuddy.ai or Viduli analyze drop-off rates, ideal video length, and even suggest segments where engagement is highest. You'll start creating content that keeps viewers glued to the screen, and that's YouTube gold. Remember, the algorithm doesn't love you, it loves retention. Number 5. AI for affiliate marketing automation. Here's where the money gets smart. AI tools can help you auto-generate affiliate email sequences, create product reviews and comparison videos from templates, find high-converting affiliate programs based on your content, And if you're promoting programs like Matt Parr's Tube Mastery, AI helps you plug in personalized calls to action, build authority, and direct viewers into affiliate funnels without sounding salesy. Your content can now sell for you, even when you're offline. Matt Parr's program, plus systemized monetization, Tube Mastery, and Monetization. You've probably heard of Matt Parr and his Tube Mastery and Monetization course. He's helped thousands of people go from zero to profitable channels without even showing their face. What I love is how Matt focuses on systems, something that fits perfectly with AI tools. His course teaches step-by-step channel setup, niche research, script writing, outsourcing, and monetization strategies that you can now supercharge using AI. Think about it. Use ChatGPT for scripting, Pictory for editing, AI tools for thumbnail design, affiliate funnels on autopilot, Matt's system plus AI tools, your YouTube business on steroids. If you're serious about making money on YouTube, check out the course in the description. It's a shortcut worth exploring. The truth is, we're living through a content revolution. AI isn't here to replace creators. It's here to amplify us, to help us create faster, connect deeper, and monetize smarter. So if you're ready to take YouTube seriously, start implementing these AI strategies today. And if you want a done-for-you blueprint to monetize your channel, I highly recommend checking out Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization. Link is below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to create a full AI toolkit walkthrough next. This is the future of content creation, and you're early. Now go build something that pays you back.